The video dives into the 2025 Charger King Daytona, a special, limited edition muscle sedan wearing Dodge's signature King Daytona nameplate. Decked out in aggressive styling, this car encapsulates the brand's tradition of raw power, bridging heritage and cutting-edge performance. Unlike a mere trim option, the King Daytona is a purpose-built powerhouse. With an 807 HP supercharged V8 under the hood, it punches far beyond typical Charger variants, aiming squarely at raw, visceral performance. Styling and design. Visually, the King Daytona is striking. The exterior features a bold, go-mango, orange paint highlighted by blackout accents. Large, mean-looking wheels and aerodynamic touches, front splitter, rear diffuser, and a bold rear wing. Exclusive King Daytona badging and subtle tribute decals. Dual exhaust outlets and a throatier sound that's instantly perceptible even at idle. Inside, the car maintains the Challenger's spacious four-door layout but stands out with premium Napa leather and suede seats, orange accents, contrast stitching, and King Daytona branding etched into the headrests and sill plates. A driver-focused cockpit with augmented tech, large touchscreen, vehicle performance pages, and tactile paddle shifters. Powertrain and performance. At its heart lies the 6.2L supercharged Hellcat V8 cranking out 807 HP, Dodge's current Supermax. Backed by an 8-speed automatic, power routes to the rear wheels with muscular torque. The video's first impressions focus on lightning-fast throttle response and a soundtrack that evokes classic muscle with a modern bite. Massive torque delivery, launching hard, with minimal lag and well-controlled wheel spin. A visually spectacular and audible exhaust wail when pushed hard. Though lacking WD, this rear-wheel drive setup pays homage to traditional muscle, relying on brute force and driver finesse. Driving dynamics. On scenic roads, the Charger King Daytona displays a dual nature. Cruising comfort. Despite its fierceness, it behaves like a cruiser, with cushy suspension that absorbs rough pavement. The steering is compliant, offering a smooth ride at highway speeds. Performance mode. Flip to sportier settings and the Dodge's character flips. The suspension firms up, throttle becomes hyper-responsive, and steering sharpens. On twisty terrain, it grips tenaciously, but occasional rear squirm adds to the thrill. Braking and handling. Brakes bite hard, suitable for this beast. Despite its mass, the car tracks solid with little understeer, handling body roll well for its class. The video highlights how the Charger feels alive, a proper, unfiltered link from driver to road, anchored by an exhaust soundtrack that demands attention. Tech and interior features. Despite its purest performance orientation, the King Daytona doesn't skimp on features. A large infotainment display featuring Dodge's Uconnect, with customizable performance screens, power, boost, engine data, and G-meter. Selectable drive modes that tune throttle, steering, suspension, and traction for different conditions. Strong connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium audio quality. Comfort features like heated/ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and driver assist aids for everyday usability. The cabin combines performance pedigree with modern convenience, luxurious yet purposeful. Exclusivity and production. This model's rarity is a core part of its appeal. The Charger King Daytona is a limited-run halo car. Some reports suggest just a few hundred units worldwide. That exclusivity, paired with its high-spec build, places it as a standout collectible in Dodge's lineup. Price and target customer. Although exact pricing wasn't stated in the video, limited models like this often begin in the high six-figure range in USD, depending on optional packages and regional pricing. The car is geared towards aficionados, buyers seeking maximum performance, intense visuals, and collectible status in a four-door form. Summary: the essence of the King Daytona. The 2025 Dodge Charger King Daytona stands as a bold statement, 807 HP in a four-door format, draped in aggressive design cues, and wrapped in exclusive, limited availability. It caters to enthusiasts who crave explosive performance, automotive theater, and collector potential. Pros: monumental engine output and visceral driving experience. distinctive, eye-catching styling, balanced daily driver comfort and high-performance capability, rare and collectible badge of exclusivity, fuel consumption on the brutal side. Massive dimensions may not suit city dwellers. High price confines accessibility to committed fans and collectors. The video review captures the Charger King Daytona's thrilling duality, a feral, roaring muscle car with the practicality of a sedan. Dodge delivers an unapologetic performance machine, where each press of the throttle serves as a reminder of its 807 HP grandeur. This Charger isn't just about going fast, it's about doing it with flair, uniqueness, and audacity. The King Daytona exists to be seen, heard, and felt on driveways, backroads, or racetracks. Bottom line, for enthusiasts chasing peak performance wrapped in gasoline-fueled nostalgia, with modern tech in tow, the Challenger King Daytona commands attention. It's a four-door spectacle that marries historic muscle with contemporary refinement, and it does so incredibly well.